Hello, beautiful people. My name is Savannah, and I'd like to reach 5,000 followers on both Instagram and YouTube. So go follow me and subscribe. And today, I'm going to be singing Amazing Grace. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my